Okay, we take next our theory, VSEPR theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. This theory is very important because it helps to know about the shape of molecules, bond angles comparisons, or the bond angle for a given geometry. So, to apply this theory, this theory basically is depending on the repulsion of the electrons on central atom. On the central atom, we can have electrons in two forms. Either electrons are bonding, which form bond pairs, or we have electrons non-bonding, which form lone pairs. Already we have seen that non-bonding electrons form lone pair and the bonding electrons will form bond pairs. In any case, electrons are having negative charge, so they repel. They repel each other, maybe as bond pair or as lone pair. So we will focus here on the repulsion of the electrons which are bonding or non-bonding or as lone pair and bond pair on central atom. On central atom. If I take an example of molecule in water molecule. If you take in water molecule, this O will have two lone pairs and two bond pairs. This can be taken lone pair and this is bond pairs. So if I draw bond pairs, they are bit there is one electron, bonding pair is close to oxygen more. So this is bond pair. So in water molecule on oxygen we are having lone pairs and two bond pairs. So electrons in any form they will have repulsion. What kind of repulsion they can have? One can be taken lone pair repulsion, LP repulsion. Second can be taken bond pair repulsion, and third can be taken lone pair and bond pair repulsion. Lone pair bond pair repulsion. तो around central atom we will have surely bond pairs. ये दो compulsory होते हैं. Lone pairs may or may not be present. Around the central atom bond pairs will be sure. Lone pairs may be there or may not be there. If they have lone pair also, then we have three possibilities. We have three kind of repulsion possible of the electrons around central atom. What are that? Lone pair repulsion, then we have lone pair repulsion, and then we have finally bond pair repulsions. So repulsions taken three categories around central atom. So can you tell the repulsion order? The order of repulsion will follow. Lone pair repulsion maximum, then we have lone pair bond pair repulsion, and then least we are having bond pair repulsion. Again, it is one very important concept, will help you to compare the bond angles, variation of bond angles if the central atom is having lone pair and bond pair both. So be careful. It is the order of repulsion, lone pair repulsion maximum, then we have lone pair bond pair repulsions, and then we have bond pair repulsions. Order of repulsion will follow this pattern. Now, can you tell why this is the order of repulsion of lone pair and bond pair? Why the lone pairs will cause repulsion maximum, whereas bond pair will cause less repulsion? Can you think of the reason for this? See, we have very simple logic. If you take the lone pair, will have attraction by single nucleus, atom of single nucleus. Sorry. So in this case, the lone pair have attraction by the nucleus of single atom, and the bond pair will have attraction by the nuclei of two atoms. So as compared to bond pair, the lone pair will occupy more space on central atom. It is almost acquiring spherical electron cloud. If I just draw once again, it is lone pairs. They are almost having spherical electron cloud around central atom because attraction is less for the lone pair as they have attraction by single nucleus or only one atom nucleus. On the other hand, if you take bond pair, we'll have attraction by nuclei of two atoms. So what happens? The lobes which contain the lone pair are almost spherical and the lobes which contain the bond pair get elongated. The lone pair occupying orbitals will be almost spherical where the bond pair lobes get elongated because of attraction by two nuclei. So what happens then? The lone pair occupy more space around central atom and they will cause more repulsion. That's the reason for more repulsion of the lone pairs. As the lone pair occupy more space around central atom, occupying almost spherical space, causing more repulsion. Whereas bond pair will have elongated space. Elongation will occur of the space occupied by the bond pairs. So bond pair will occupy less space around central atom. When they occupy less space around central atom, they will cause less repulsion. So when they have less repulsion, the angle means as a whole the repulsion will be less. So angles are affected accordingly. That is first point. The order of repulsion of the electrons of two category on central atom. These repulsions will affect bond angles. Now next point can be taken. How using this theory for the molecule the shapes is predicted. See, around central atom we can have electrons of both category, lone pair and bond pair. Now electrons in any case will have repulsion. Now when they repel, so molecule will acquire a definite geometry in which they have lowest repulsion or minimum among the electron pair of any category. Maybe bond pair, ये तो कंपल्सरी होते ही हैं. लोन पेयर हो भी सकते हैं सेंटर एटम के ऊपर और नहीं भी हो सकते हैं, बट बॉन्ड पेयर श्योर है कि ये एटम के ऊपर होने ही होने हैं बॉन्ड पेयर्स. तो रिपल्सन आपका इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के अंदर होना ही है. क्या करता है मॉलिक्यूल? देन मॉलिक्यूल व्हाट दे डू, मॉलिक्यूल्स विल अलाइन or arrange the lone pair and bond pair in that geometry in which they will possess minimum repulsion among all electrons. And because then they have repulsion minimum, stability is highest for that geometry or configuration, and that is preferred to be acquired by the molecules. So I hope it is clear this point. Now using this theory we will predict the shapes of molecules. How to predict? We again can take one method. It is a method we can apply in many cases but not in all the cases surely, but this method is very helpful to understand the geometry, angles, bond angles, comparison of bond angles by this theory, by this method. Now to apply this method we take one hypothetical number n. To apply this method we take one number n. N is one hypothetical number. How this n we can find? This n can be taken, it is number of valence electrons of central atom plus, if we have negative ions then we add negative charge or subtract positive charge. This gives the value of n to us. Okay, first for the central atom, this n value we find for central atom. What is n value? How to find the n value? Value of n, it is number of valence electrons of the central atom plus, if we have anions or cations, so in anions case add negative charge or in cations case subtract positive charge. This gives the value of n, and then after n calculation we find the value of n by 2. the value of n by 2 will give the number of bond pairs plus number of lone pairs on central atom. After calculation of n, we find the value of n by 2. N by 2 value will give the number of bond pairs plus number of lone pairs on central atom. After calculation of n by 2 value, then we take calculation of bond pair and lone pairs. So what is number of bond pairs? It can be taken as number of other atoms. And then what is lone pairs remaining? This can be taken n by 2 minus number of bond pairs. This much you have to do first, because once you can do this thing, then the shape prediction become very easy for the molecules. So let us apply this in examples coming now, which will follow this point here. Now to apply this theory for different molecules, first of all we find the value of n by 2, and then lone pair and bond pair on central atom, and then after calculation the lone pair and bond pair will arrange on central atom in such a geometry that they have least repulsions, because when they have least repulsions, stability is maximum. So to apply this, I will take first example taken, molecule BeCl2. In molecule BeCl2, which atom is central atom? Beryllium. In this case, beryllium atom becomes central atom. So let us find the value of n by 2. What is n by 2? It is number of valence electrons of central atom. In valence shell of beryllium, it have got 2 electrons plus number of other atoms. In this case, chlorine atoms are taken as other atoms because beryllium is central atom, plus we add 2. Why we add 2? This 2 is the number of other atoms attached to central atom beryllium. Divide by 2, that number is 2. And then we find number of bond pairs. कितना आएगा इसमें? Will it be same as number of other atoms? 2 atoms of chlorine, so we have 2 bond pairs. Then what is number of lone pairs? 0, because n by 2 is 2. We have 2 bond pair, so 0 lone pair. Now when we have only 2 bond pairs, no lone pair, then in what geometry they can have least repulsions? In what geometry they can have least repulsions? So you can see here, when the shape is linear, then the bond angle become maximum possible. But bond angle become in this case 180 degree, and then the repulsion are least, because when we have 2 bond pairs only, to have in them least repulsions, the geometry should be linear. When the geometry become linear, the bond angle become 180 degree, repulsions are lowest among the bond pair, and this is the most stable arrangement for 2 bond pairs around central atom. We can take, if it is taken, suppose central atom is beryllium, I drawn the atom yellow color is central atom. We have taken 2 chlorine, green color atom chlorine. So you can take, we don't have any other arrangement in which they can be arranged, in which they will have repulsion lowest apart from this linear arrangement. When we have linear arrangement, the bond angle is how much between 2 bonds? The angle become 180 degree. Shape is called linear for BeCl2 molecule. Now in this drawing the shapes, we can take 2 things. One is called as geometry, one is shape. Normally we don't distinguish the 2 terms. One is called geometry and one is called as shape. Geometry can be taken what here? It is expected shape. By consideration of all things, by considering bond pairs and lone pairs all, but in shape of molecule we consider it is called actual shape. Shape means actual shape. It is drawn by using only bond pairs. By considering only bond pairs, we can draw the molecule actual shape. That is the shape of molecule. If nothing is distinguished, geometry or shape you can take same. But actual term is what? In geometry, we consider the lone pair and bond pairs both, and then for actual shape of the molecule we consider only bond pairs. Lone pairs will only affect bond angles. Lone pairs, if present, they affect bond angles. But the shape of molecule we can take by using only bond pairs. अब ये क्वेश्चन में क्या होता है, sometimes they don't mention the things. So when nothing is mentioned, the shape or geometry you can take as actual shape. If in the question nothing is mentioned, we take actual shape is a required answer of the question. Okay, let us first example taken. Now we can see the value of n by 2. I have taken 2 here. We can have several cases for n by 2 values. If I just give a brief idea to you about n by 2 values, n by 2 values can be taken here. 2 already discussed, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the possibilities for n by 2 values. For them we can write the geometry or expected shape. We can just write here, but we will explain to you. Actual shape are not same in all the case as the geometry or the expected shape. Like when we have 2, it is linear. For 3, we have trigonal, planar. Angle will be here 120 degree each. Angle is 180 degree. 4, it is tetrahedral. Angle taken 109 degree 28 minutes. We'll show all the shape, don't worry. 5 होता है trigonal, bipyramidal. Have 2 kind of angles, 120 degree and 90 degree. Then for 6, it is called octahedral. Angle taken 90 degree, all the angles. For 7, shape is called pentagonal. Bipyramidal. They have again 2 kind of angles, 90 degree and 72 degree are the angles. So basically this geometry or expected shape we can draw here by consideration of n by 2 value only. While in actual shape we will consider only bonds, only bond pairs. Okay. So that you can note down the values. For n by 2 value 2, geometry is linear, angle 180 degree. N by 2 3, geometry trigonal planar, angle 120 degree. For 4, geometry is tetrahedral, angle 109 degree 28 minutes. For n by 2 5, geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. You have 2 kind of bond angles. आपको समझने में भी triangle दिखा के. Angles are taken 120 degree and 90 degree angles. For 6, geometry is octahedral, angle 90 degree. For 7, geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. We have angle taken 2 categories, 90 degree angles and we have other angles of 72 degree. Okay. Now let us take more examples for drawing the shapes. I will give the table once again. Per geometry we can have how many shapes. In our next example taken, molecule taken BCl3. In molecule BCl3, first find the value of n by 2. Now in this case, which atom is central atom? Boron. In this case, atoms less in number will be taken central atom. So boron is central atom. In boron, in the outermost shell, it have got 3 electrons. Plus we add number of other atoms, 3 chlorine by 2. So we will get the value of n by 2 3. It have number of bond pairs, how many? 3, same as the number of other atoms. And then lone pairs 0, because n by 2 3 है, 3 bonds, so 0 lone pair. Now when we have n by 2 value 3, what geometry is preferred, or in what geometry the angles, bond angles can be maximum? In which geometry the bond angles can be maximum? For n by 2 3, when the geometry taken is trigonal planar. 3 chlorine atoms are arranged around central atom, boron, each angle taken 120 degree. If you join the corner of all the atoms or join the corner atoms, on joining corner atoms, the shape become trigonal planar. On joining the corner atom, the shape become trigonal planar shape, having all the bond angles equal to 120 degree. Okay, it can be seen this way here. This can be taken same. We have all the atoms are in same plane. When we have all the atoms are in same plane, you can take example like fan. आपका fan के 3 blade होते हैं. All are in same plane. You can think this way only. Each angle taken 120 degree. You can take each angle will be 120 degree. Take any angle. All the bond angles are same, equal to 120 degree. All the atoms are lying in same plane, one plane. You can take one plane this which in which we have all the atoms. So this geometry for that reason called trigonal planar. Shape trigonal because joining the corners, shape become triangular shape. So trigonal, atom in same plane, so planar. Shape is called trigonal planar. Now that's n by 2 value 3. Shape is trigonal planar if there is no lone pair. Now if it is taken, next example taken SnCl2. SnCl2, for this case what the value of n by 2? Now in this case 10 will be taken central atom. 10 in the outermost shell have how many electrons? 4 electrons. Group 14 elements. All the element of same group, they will have same number of valence electrons. So 14 group element 10 will have 4 electrons in the valence shell plus 2 atom chlorine plus other atom is chlorine 2 atoms by 2, so it is 6 by 2 become 3. So we will have in this case bond pairs 2, lone pair 1. Now you will have confusion कि lone pair आपका एक आ गया. Now what we should do for the lone pair? Nothing. For n by 2 3, draw geometry same 3. Geometry will be what here? Trigonal planar. Draw same geometry for same n by 2 value. And now in this geometry we have what? One lone pair. So make one lone pair. And 2 will be the bond pairs. So draw 2 bond pairs. Now what the shape become here? For the shape we see only bonds, not the lone pair. The shape can be called what here? Angular. The shape become angular and the angle become how much? This bond angle in this case become less than 120 degree. In this case the bond angle will be less than 120 degree, because when we have n by 2 3, the geometry will be trigonal planar. The shape expected is trigonal planar, but they have got one lone pair and 2 bond pair. For the shape we see only bond pairs, not lone pair. What the shape visible to you? Angular, bent. And in this case angle will be how much? The bond angle become less than 120 degree. Reason क्या इसके लिए? The lone pair and bond pair, they have more repulsion than the bond pair repulsion. The 2 bond pairs are having in them less repulsion, whereas lone pair bond pair are having in them more repulsions. So more repulsion means angle become less. By more repulsion the bonds will be coming closer. So when the bonds are pushed, angle become less than 120 degree. So my example here is shape is angular. See that for the shape of molecules we consider only the bond pairs, not the lone pair. यहाँ पे सारे points और सारी positions equivalent है. इस केस में सारे ही पोजीशंस क्या है? इक्विवेलेंट है. You can take lone pair or bond pair in any positions. You can place lone pair or bond pair in any positions. I hope it is clear. See, I'll show you the diagram. Suppose it was taken the previous case. Okay, we have center was boron, 3 chlorine were placed at the 3 corners of a triangle geometry. Now in the same geometry, if I place one lone pair, देखिए one point remember, if we have n by 2 values same, then we have same geometry. Geometry means the shape expected will be same. So n by 2 3 means the shape expected is same, triangular planar. Now they have got one lone pair, so you make one lone pair. इसको हटा दिया. What remains? The shape remaining become angular. We have got lone pair here. That lone pair will push the bond to come closer. So what happened to bonds? They will come slightly closer. So bond angle become less than 120 degree, which was expected for this n by 2 3 or geometry was triangular planar. But since the lone pair will cause more repulsion for bond pair, they have less repulsion, it have more repulsion. So angle will be decreased slightly. Angle will be less for that region than 120 degree. Okay. So from here we got the 1 point more. That point you can write down or this one to write down. Okay. For same n by 2 value, draw same geometry or expected shape. Draw same geometry or expected shape. Draw same geometry or expected shape. Full stop. Then in same geometry we place lone pair and bond pairs. Full stop. Further, for the actual shape of the molecule, we considers only the bond pairs. Okay. So for n by 2 taken 3, we have 2 cases, no lone pair or one lone pair. Now we'll take next example. Next example taken is CCl4. For CCl4 molecule, in this case again carbon is central atom. So if we take the value of n by 2 calculation, in this case for carbon central atom, 4 electrons in the valence shell plus 4 atom chlorine. Here chlorine are taken as other atoms, number is 4. Divide by 2, so n by 2 will be 4. They will have how many bond pairs? We have 4 chlorine, so 4 bond pairs. Simple. जितने आपके other atoms हैं उतने आपके होंगे bond pairs. They are sigma bond, you can use word here. And then what is lone pair? 0, because n by 2 4 bonds, 0 lone pair. Now when we have n by 2 4, what geometry is preferred? What geometry we can have for the molecule? We can have one possibility, square shape, where angle will be how much? 90 degree. आपको देखो ना फर्स्ट में क्या था हमारा एंगल 180 डिग्री. When we have 3 bonds, bond angle become 120 degree. Now if we have 4 bonds, the bond angle become how much? 90 degree. But this angle is less. So now the molecule will shift in the 3D structure. In first second we were having atom in same plane, but now the atoms are not lying in same plane, but they will have 3D structure. So in this case when we have n by 2 4, the geometry will be here tetrahedral. Now when the geometry become tetrahedral, how we draw? When we join all the corners, this geometry is called tetrahedral. It has 4 faces, so tetrahedral. In this geometry, all the bond angles become equal. All the angles will be same, equal to how much? 109 degree 28 minutes. All the bond angles are equal to 109 degree 28 minutes. If you just draw this tetrahedron this way here, your four faces so called as tetrahedral geometry. All the angles are identical, equal to 109 degree 28 minutes. If I show this diagram to you in the actual shape, this can be taken arrangement for shape tetrahedral. All the bonds are equal. All the bonds, you can take any bonds or bond angles will be equal, equivalent bonds. All the bond angles, all the bond lengths are equal, all the bond angles, and when you have same atom, they also will have all the same bond lengths. All the bond angles same, all the bond lengths same. Bond angles will be 109 degree 28 minutes. You can see arrangement in any way. ऐसे देखिए इसको, ऐसे देखिए, कैसे भी देखिए इसको है. In all the case, it is indistinguishable. Now when we join all the corners, we get one face, second face, third face, and one bottom face. So we have got four faces. So shape is called tetrahedral arrangement or geometry. Now in this geometry, I'll show you we can have three possibilities. What if we have one lone pair? What shape remaining shape become pyramidal? If you have two lone pair, what shape remaining become angular or bent shape? So we will have three possibilities for this geometry tetrahedral that we'll be discussing now. Now next example can be taken ammonia. In ammonia, what is n by 2 value? For finding n is central atom, to find n by 2 first. Nitrogen is central atom, have 5 electrons in valence shell, plus 3 atom hydrogen by 2. 5 plus 3 by 2, it becomes 4. So n by 2 is 4. It has got how many bond pairs? 3. And lone pair become in this case 1. It has got 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. So in this case, what is geometry? So when we have n by 2 4, draw geometry first. Geometry is tetrahedral, draw same geometry. In the same geometry, we can place 3 bonds and 1 lone pair. So we place lone pair in one of the position. For the shape, we consider only bonds, not the lone pair. The shape is called as what? Trigonal, pyramidal, or simply pyramidal shape. Pyramidal is one very common shape used for ammonia or molecules having shape like ammonia. More examples can be taken like NH3, NF3, NCl3, PCl3, PH3. So we have this many molecules which can resemble this geometry. Now in this case, what is the bond angle expected? When we join the corners, the base becomes trigonal and pyramidal shape is there. Now in this case, what is angle? Bond angles. In this case, the bond angles become less than 109 degree 28 minutes. Bond angle in this case become less than 109 degree 28 minutes, which are the bond angle expected for the tetrahedral geometry. In ammonia, for example, bond angle in ammonia is taken 107 degree. It has bond angle 107 degree for ammonia. If I take NF3, bond angle is around 103 degree, or other molecules the bond angles are different. So what you can say here, bond angles will be less than this value. Reason is what here? Ki lone pair and bond pair, they will have more repulsion. Lone pair, bond pair have more repulsion than bond pair repulsion. So as a result, what happens? The bonds come slightly closer and the bond angle become less than this value which is expected for this geometry tetrahedral. इसका geometry क्या बोलेंगे? Geometry is tetrahedral but shape is pyramidal. So if you take here example wise, it was taken CCl4 molecule. Now if I remove one hydrogen, What remain? The remaining become ammonia. It has got one lone pair, and this lone pair repel the bonds more. The bonds will come slightly closer, and when the bonds are coming closer, what happens? The bond angle become less. When the bonds are coming closer by more repulsion, so what happens? The angle become less. So this ammonia molecule shape is pyramidal. Joining the base become pyramid, base become trigonal. One pyramid shape is not, all the atoms are not in same plane. So it is the shape called trigonal pyramidal. Now next example can be taken water molecule. In water molecule, what is N/2 value? Here oxygen is central atom. Here oxygen is central atom. For oxygen in valence shell we have 6 electrons plus 2 atom hydrogen by 2. That is 4. Now 2 atom hydrogen, so we have 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. So now we draw in this case again geometry tetrahedral for N/2 4. This will give the geometry or the shape expected. Tetrahedral. So draw geometry first. But we are having 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. So what we can write the shape of molecule, or I can write this side here to show it more clearly. Sari equivalent, you can place any positions. So if I draw the shape, it can be seen this way here. One lone pair, one more lone pair. The shape will be angular or bent, or angle become much less, so it's called V shape. In water molecule, the angle is 104 degree, 104.5 degree in water molecule. But in such a case or such geometry, the angle become how much? Bond angles taken here will be less than 104 degree, 109 degree 28 minutes. In such a case, bond angle will be less than 109 degree 28 minutes, which is expected for the geometry tetrahedral. I hope it's clear. So that's example taken up to N/2 4. So when we have N/2 4, we can have 3 possibility of shapes. One shape was tetrahedral. All the angles, all the bond lengths were identical. Second shape taken pyramidal shape like ammonia. Third case taken 2 lone pair, 2 bond pair, shape is angular or bent. Ammonia we have 1 lone pair and 3 bond pairs. So for N/2 value 4, we have 3 shapes possible. Only in first case the angle was 109 degree 28 minutes, other case angle become less. Now to apply this point, I will take one question. Now suppose a question is given to you. A question is given to you to compare the bond angles of NH3 molecule and NF3 molecule. NH3 molecule and NF3. If I draw the shape directly, shape will be identical type. 1 lone pair on central atom and 3 bond pairs for each case. This is one very common question given in different examinations, different entrance examinations, to compare the bond angle of NH3 and NF3 molecule. Can you tell the order of bond angles in these 2 molecules? It seems that fluorine atoms are bigger in size, they should cause more repulsion, so angle should be higher. But what is observed here, the bond angle in ammonia is more. It has bond angle 107 degree. In NF3 bond angle is 103 degree. It is less as compared to this bond angle. How this bond angle could be explained? This could be explained using valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. See, in both the case central atom have 1 lone pair. In both the case central atom have got 1 lone pair. So repulsion of the lone pair and bond pair will not matter much for us. What will matter more for us in this question will be bond pair repulsions. Are bond pair repulsions. If I take in NH3 molecule, what happens? Yeah, first can write NF3 by bond angle is less than ammonia. See, in NF3 molecule compared to nitrogen, fluorine is more electronegative. So here fluorine is more electronegative than nitrogen. So what happened? The bond pairs lie more close to fluorine atoms. So what happened? When the bond pairs close to fluorine atom, they will have more distance among them. So bond pairs have more distance among them. When they have more distance, then they will cause less repulsions. When bond pairs have less repulsion. Now if they have less repulsion, the bond angle become less. Bond angle become less. Now in other case, in NH3 molecule, if we compare that compared to hydrogen, nitrogen is more electronegative. The bond pair is more close to nitrogen. So you can take in this case that nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen. So what happened then? So the bond pairs lie close to nitrogen, shifting towards nitrogen side. So what happened then? The bond pair have less distance among them. When they have in them less distance, they will cause more repulsion. Bond pair have then more repulsion. When the bond pair have more repulsion, the angle become more. So in this case, bond angle is more as compared to NF3. As compared to NF3. But remember, still the bond angle is less than the geometry ideal case. If the geometry could have been ideal, then the bond angle should have been 109 degree 28 minutes. उससे भी आपका एंगल कम होगा इस केस में. क्यों कम होता है? Because लोन पेयर बॉन्ड पेयर है मोर रिपल्सन. ये पॉइंट कॉमन रहेगा. दोनों में क्या है? बॉन्ड एंगल कम है. यहाँ पर और कम क्यों होता है? इसका रीजन ये है कि हमें देखना है बॉन्ड पेयर रिपल्सन्स कम है कि ज्यादा है. यहाँ पर क्या है? बॉन्ड पेयर पास होगा फ्लोरीन के, डिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा. व्हेन बॉन्ड पेयर है मोर डिस्टेंस, they will cause less repulsion, so angle become less. यहाँ पे क्या bond pairs are close to nitrogen, so electron density more on nitrogen means they will have more repulsion. When bond pair have more repulsion as compared to this, so bond angle become more as compared to this. That is the reason values of bond angles. It's been very common question given to compare the bond angles in molecules as well. Okay. Let us take one more question on this bond angle comparison of the geometries taken till now. Now let us take next question to compare the bond angles. आपको मैंने दो बिट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है NH3, PH3, ASH3, SBH3 और H2O, H2S, H2SE and H2DE. You have to compare the bond angle in both the cases. You first find the answer yourself. Now coming on the answer part. See, this is one easy question. To compare the bond angle in this case, what you can see here, in both the series, the bond angles are decreasing or moving down the group. One region can be explained in terms of Weierstrass theory. One region is more there, which I will explain to you after hybridization. Let us take first region in terms of only VSEPR theory. See what happens on moving down the group for the hydrides. Shape will be taken ammonia or this all the case. They have got one lone pair and three bond pairs. Here we have two lone pair, two bond pairs. So one region can be explained in terms of VSEPR theory. How we explain? See, what is happening here on moving down the route? On moving down the route, what happens? Bond angles, see, the electronegativity of central atom decreases. So what happens then? the bond pairs move away from central atom, then what happen? The distance among bond pairs, the distance between bond pairs increase. If the distance between the bond pair increase, then what happen? Repulsion between bond pairs will decrease. If we have bond pair more distant, among them repulsion will decrease. If repulsion decrease, then what happens? When the repulsion between the bond pair decrease, then the bond angles increase. Sorry, repulsion decrease means bond angle decrease. When the bond pair have more repulsion, angle is more. If the bond pair have less repulsion, angle will be less. So bond angle decrease in both the series. This decreasing bond angle can be explained by this theory as well. I hope it is clear. कि size of the atom is increasing one region, but second region taken mainly atom's electronegativity. When this property already we have seen that on moving down the group there is decrease in the central atom electronegativity. Central atom taken is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Here O, sulfur, selenium, tellurium are central atom. So in both the series the common region is there, that on moving down the series there is decrease in central atom electronegativity. Distance in the bond pair will increase because they are moving away from central atom. When the bond pair have more distance, repulsion between them decrease, and when they have less repulsion, the bond angle will decrease accordingly. I hope it is clear. Fine. Now let us take the next one more question. Next question taken here, to compare the bond angle. If I write molecule BF3, H2O, NH3, BCl3, CCl4, and NF3. In these molecules, you compare the bond angles. Try yourself. Now coming on solution. If possible, in solving such questions, if possible, for the some molecules you are sure for the bond angles, write them first. BF3 have trigonal planar shape. It have bond angle how much? 120 degree. BCl3 have bond angle 120 degree, low lone pair. It have bond angle 109 degree, 28 minutes. Then we can take ammonia. It is less than this value. It is much less than this value. It is 107 degree. It is 103 degree. Water have bond angle 104 degree. अब इसमें पर आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा इनको कंपेयर करने में थोड़ा सा, बाकी और कुछ नहीं है. So we can take the angle, order will follow. BF3 is equal to BCl3 more as compared to CCl4, which is more as compared to NH3, then water, and then NF3 is your answer. So whenever such kind of question given, just be careful कि पहले shape देखो क्या है, geometry क्या है, then you can compare easily. Okay. Now let us take next sequence of n by 2 continuation.